What's up, guys? I just got this new pan head for and tripod, actually. Thought I'd do a quick review of it. I literally just got it yesterday. Out here glassing for javelina, looking for javelina, and I thought I'd do a quick review of this thing. So it's the Tricer LP pan head. They just released it, or there was pre-orders just a little while ago, and it is on the Sure AM-025K tripod. This tripod does have a center post, but it doesn't collapse. It extends up even further, but it does not collapse down. And I got this to be a little compact setup for my backpack. My other tripod was, I have a Vortex Summit Carbon, an old one. It's 7 years old, 6 or 7 years old, and the Sure VA5 head, and it's a great setup. I can stand in glass with that. It's pretty heavy duty, but it weighs nearly 4 pounds. It's like 3 pounds 12 ounces. This whole setup, head and tripod, is 1 pound 8, just over 8 ounces. 1 pound to 8 ounces. So 1.5 pounds. It's less than half of what my other one weighed. I was always finding that I didn't want to carry my other tripod in my pack because it was too heavy. So I would end up leaving it at the truck, and then 9 out of 10 times I would regret that and wish that I had my tripod to glass. So I was looking for something, a lighter alternative, but still stable and good. I was thinking about getting a monopod and trying that out, but I saw on Instagram these guys released this thing, and it looked like it was pretty good quality. And then I had this Sure tripod in my Amazon cart for a while, so I went ahead and just bought it to pair with this pan head. This thing is awesome. There's a couple gripes I have, but they're not serious. So this tripod, my other tripod, there's a set screw that comes up through the base plate here, and puts tension against the base of the pan head to keep it from spinning off. This tripod does not have that, and it's hard. I mean, you can't really crank it. You can lock out the pan function, but it still isn't tight enough to screw this down to the base really tight. So you have to grab it from here. I wish there was knurling, or what I'll probably end up doing is just putting some grip tape right here, or a rubber band, so I can just grip it a little bit better and get it a little bit tighter. This morning when I got to my first glassing spot, this was actually loose. It had come loose a little bit. So that's one thing. The other thing that, I mean, it's kind of my fault. This was hanging off of my pack, obviously. I'm walking through manzanita and scrub oak and mesquite, that thorny stuff. I don't know what it is, but the foam got pretty chewed up. Again, that's more my fault than anything else. But otherwise, it's been really great. Like I said, I haven't used it a ton, but it's smooth. It's lightweight. It's really, really good quality. It's Arca Swiss compatible, so I have my Outdoorsman's bino adapter and stud on these, and just have it on a Arca Swiss plate right here, and fits great. Just keep that plate in. I know they also have a bino adapter where you don't even need the Arca Swiss. It just goes in. In fact, now that I'm looking at it, I may be able to ditch. No, this is probably too small. Anyways, it's really good. So the function of it, this lever right here, locks out the pan and then loosens the pan. And it's not like other tripods that or pan heads, where sometimes it's like you loosen it a little bit and it's like loosey-goosey, super wobbly, and then so it's really hard to fine tune. This isn't like that. It's pretty steady. You can loosen it and it's loose, but it's not like super loose. And then to adjust the tilt, you just twist this. And again, you can, it's pretty broad range of adjustment here. It's not like you screw it, loosen it a little bit and it's like super loose. So you can set it to like about right there is how I was having it, and it works really good. The other thing I like about it, because it's so compact, when I'm glassing, I like to, control it right here and be able to look. And then if I need to loosen or tighten the tilt, I can just do that by twisting my hand. And then also my index finger is right here on the panning lever, so I can push that in or pull it out and adjust the pan. So everything's one-handed. It's really comfortable to glass. And yeah, it works. It's been working really well. Really good quality, like I said. It feels like it'll last a long time. I had my other setup for, well, I had the tripod for, like I said, 6 or 7 years with the Vortex pan head on it for like 3 or 4 years, but that thing was garbage. So I put the Sure VA5, and it's nice too. I use that for I have an 85 spotter, and it works really good with that. This will work with my spotter. Obviously, it's probably not the most stable, just how compact it is, but I did put it on there at home, and it worked fine. But I'll probably just keep my bigger tripod and head in the truck and with the spotter and use it from the truck mostly. So, but yeah, obviously, and this one, obviously you can't stand, if I didn't mention it already. But like I said, it'll stay in my pack all the time now, and I do most of my glassing sitting down from my pack when I'm hunting. So anyways, just thought I'd do a quick review of this thing. It's been, I've been impressed with it. For the price too. I think they're $180 right now. I'm pretty sure it's $180. Don't quote me on that, but still pretty competitive price for the quality. It's really well built, really smooth, and it's good. All right, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you later.